Have you ever wished your hair could grow faster, thicker, and healthier, without spending a fortune on expensive hair products? What if I told you that one of the most powerful treatments for hair growth is sitting right in your kitchen: simple rice water? Rice water is one of the oldest and most effective natural remedies for beautiful, long, and strong hair. For centuries, women in Asia, especially the Yao women of China and the Japanese court ladies, have used rice water to nourish and strengthen their hair. These women are known for their incredibly long, shiny, and healthy hair that barely ever turns gray. Today, we're going to uncover everything you need to know about rice water, from its origins, benefits, nutrients, how to make it, and how to use it safely and effectively. By the end of this audio, you'll understand exactly why this simple kitchen ingredient is a game changer for your hair. The origin of rice water. The use of rice water for beauty goes back over 1,000 years. In ancient Japan, noble women used rice water to wash and detangle their long hair, calling it yu-su-ru. Meanwhile, in a small village called Wangla in China, the Yao women have made rice water their secret to maintaining hair that's often over 6 feet long. They wash their hair in fermented rice water, which they believe keeps it healthy, black, and shiny even into old age. What's fascinating is that modern science is now confirming what these women have known for generations: rice water is packed with nutrients that truly benefit hair health. The nutritional power of rice water. So, what makes rice water so special? Rice water is the starchy liquid that remains after soaking or boiling rice. But inside that cloudy water lies a treasure of nutrients. It's rich in amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. They strengthen hair roots and repair damage. Vitamin B complex, which helps improve hair elasticity and prevents hair breakage. Vitamin C and E, which nourish the scalp and promote healthy growth. Inositol, a natural carbohydrate that helps protect hair from damage and improves elasticity. Antioxidants, which reduce scalp inflammation and help keep hair follicles active. In short, rice water is like a natural hair tonic. It feeds your scalp, repairs your strands, and makes your hair more resilient. Benefits of using rice water. Let's talk about what rice water can actually do for your hair when used consistently. First, it promotes faster hair growth. The amino acids and vitamins nourish your scalp, boost blood circulation, and stimulate hair follicles to grow new strands. Second, it strengthens weak and brittle hair. If you're struggling with hair breakage or split ends, rice water coats the hair shaft, making each strand stronger and smoother. Third, it adds incredible shine and softness. The natural starch in rice water smooths the cuticles, reflecting light and giving your hair that healthy, glossy look. Fourth, it improves scalp health. It helps reduce dandruff, itching, and scalp irritation, leaving your roots clean and fresh. And finally, it helps repair damaged hair, especially if you use heat tools or chemical treatments. Rice water restores moisture, elasticity, and balance to your hair. It's an all-in-one treatment that's completely natural, gentle, and effective. How to make rice water. Now, let's get practical. How do you make rice water at home? There are 3 main methods: the soaking method, the boiling method, and the fermentation method. 1. Soaking method. This is the easiest and fastest. Take half a cup of uncooked rice and rinse it well to remove dirt or impurities. Add 2 cups of clean water. Let it soak for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Strain the water into a clean container, and that's your rice water. You can store it in the fridge for up to a week. 2. Boiling method. If you prefer a quick version, this is for you. Boil half a cup of rice in 2 to 3 cups of water. Once the water becomes cloudy, strain it out. Allow it to cool before applying to your hair. This method releases more starch, making it a bit thicker, ideal for deep conditioning. 3. Fermentation method. This is the most potent version, and the one used by the Yao women. Prepare rice water using the soaking method. Leave it in a covered jar at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours until it ferments slightly. You'll notice a mild sour smell. That's normal. Fermentation increases the nutrient content and helps your scalp absorb the benefits better. Once it's fermented, store it in the refrigerator and dilute it with water before use. How to use rice water for best results. Here's how to make the most of your rice water treatment. After shampooing, wash your hair as usual, then pour rice water over your scalp and hair. Gently massage your scalp for 5 minutes to boost blood flow. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with cool water. As a leave-in treatment, if you have dry or curly hair, you can dilute rice water with plain water and use it as a leave-in conditioner. Spray it lightly on your hair after washing. It will add shine and reduce frizz. As a deep treatment, mix fermented rice water with a bit of aloe vera gel or a few drops of rosemary oil. Massage it into your scalp, cover with a shower cap, and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for visible improvements in strength, shine, and growth. Enhancing your rice water. Want to supercharge your rice water? You can enhance it by adding other natural ingredients. Rosemary oil stimulates blood circulation and speeds up growth. Lavender oil soothes the scalp and adds a pleasant scent. Aloe vera hydrates, repairs, and reduces scalp inflammation. Black castor oil thickens the hair and reduces shedding. Clove water or hibiscus extract adds shine and prevents hair thinning. These natural boosters take your simple rice water to a powerful herbal tonic. Warnings and common mistakes. While rice water is amazing, it's important to use it correctly. Avoid these mistakes. Over-fermenting. Leaving it for too long can cause a strong odor or scalp irritation. Using too frequently. More isn't always better. Stick to 2 or 3 times per week. Not rinsing properly. If you have low porosity hair, rinse well to prevent protein buildup. Skipping patch test. Always test a small amount first to ensure no reaction. Used wisely, rice water is safe for all hair types, from straight to curly, fine to coarse. With consistent use, most people begin to notice results within 3 to 6 weeks. Your hair will feel softer, look shinier, and gradually grow thicker and longer. Remember, it's not magic overnight. It's about consistency and patience. Just like taking care of your skin or your body, your hair thrives on regular nourishment. Rice water works best when combined with a healthy routine. Eat balanced meals, stay hydrated, minimize heat styling, and protect your hair from harsh weather. Soon, you'll see why so many people around the world swear by this simple kitchen secret. So, if you've been searching for a natural way to transform your hair, start with rice water. It's affordable, effective, and backed by both tradition and science. Make it a part of your weekly routine, stay consistent, and you'll begin to notice real, visible change. Thank you for listening, and remember, healthy hair starts from care, patience, and nature's touch.